This is good. My name is Chef Ben Polson, and this is Mama Joe's Chicken Biscuits and Barbecue. I'm going to show you our Nashville Hot Chicken sandwich today. This is another sandwich show? All of our biscuits are smoked Gouda biscuits. It's sort of our signature. It's a house-made biscuit, lots of butter, lots of smoked Gouda in it. I've had people bring the biscuits back, ask me if there's bacon fat in them, and it's just no, because it's smoked Gouda. It's just like, I'm a vegetarian, you fed me bacon. Lemon-brined chicken, seasoned flour. It goes into the flour, then into the buttermilk, then back into the flour, and that gives us an extra crunchy, juicy chicken. Cayenne, paprika, garlic powder, brown sugar, and secret ingredient, fryer oil. Dips in that Nashville hot oil. That goes on our smoked Gouda biscuit. And then we top it with our coleslaw, our Alabama white sauce, and our house bread and butter pickles. Our Alabama white sauce is a mayonnaise-based barbecue sauce. It's a black pepper and horseradish forward. I could take a bite, but I have to cut. This is good. I haven't had one of these in a while. It's one of the things I've been cooking this food for 10 years. I don't eat it like all the time, but like when I get into it, man, it's like. So the Nashville oil it's got heat, but it's not overpowering because we balance it with a little bit of sugar, and it's cooled off by the white sauce and the coleslaw. So it's a really balanced sandwich. So people say, "How hot is the Nashville hot?" And I always say it's edible because it's just a balanced, spicy chicken sandwich.